Come back, I'll be showing how to make a drink that will help to boost your immunity. It is good for digestion and it's a good source of vitamin C, which will help to cleanse mucus from your throat and respiratory tract. So stay tuned. This cold fighting or immune boosting drink, I'll be making use of oranges. I've already peeled the orange. Orange contains good source of vitamin C, which will help to support immune system, and it is very effective in fighting cold. I'll be making use of radish. I'm going to wash it. Radish is so good for cleansing mucus from the throat and respiratory tracts. It is also a good source of vitamin C. It has little spicy taste, so you can customize how many that you want to put for this drink. So when I'm done washing, I will set aside. I'll be making use of ginger, which I'm going to peel. That will aid digestion and improve our immunity. So I'm going to add all the ingredients into the juicer and extract to get the juice. But if you don't have a juicer, you can just add all this into the blender, add some water, blend until smooth, then sieve to get the juice. Finally, the immune boosting radish, orange and ginger juice is ready. You can drink 1 cup of this after meal. This is an effective drink that will help to fight cold, flu, remove mucus buildup from the throat and respiratory tracts. It will also help to boost your immunity and aid digestion. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.